Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, on the Solana chart, we finally see this breakout above the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders. And the main question on the Solana chart remains, if we get 5 waves up, yeah, in this white wave count. I would like to make a small change to the white wave count now that we have broken. I did count it as a 1-2-1-2 setup, which sort of served as well. However, looking at the subdivisions, how it's unfolding, and looking at the depth of this second wave 2, I'd like to take the subdivisions out and I would just leave it as a 1-2. Basically, the wave 1 would then be a leading diagonal, so it's not the most reliable 5-wave move. And then here the wave 2, this looks better and is can be counted in a better way. So I like the idea of that. Looking at this, looking at targets for the third wave, then we can, based on this assessment, maybe update them a little bit. But I highlighted to you that I would like to see 5 waves into the $24, $25 region. So the third wave should ideally reach $24, the 1.618 extension level. Then we should see a wave 4 pullback, and the wave 5 should go above the third wave high. So yeah, we talk about roughly $25 maybe for these 5 waves, maybe a little higher in a wave 1 in the white wave count. Obviously not guaranteed. It's a little bit like, okay, we'll see if it now plays out. Important would be that we ideally don't get rejected in the red resistance zone, because from the perspective of the bulls, we want to get above resistance in 5 waves. From a bearish point of view, this could be an area where the price will turn around and is basically producing, and that's still on the table, a WXYXZ pattern. That is possible. It would be a corrective pattern, a very complex correction, a combination, a triple combination pattern. And that's possible as long as we don't have 5 waves to the upside. Resistance for this X wave, yeah. So again, WXYXZ, and the resistance here is between $21.40, that we already see a bit of a reaction there, and $23.71. So what we need to be observing, and this is the key really, is if the Solana price can form 5 waves above resistance. We talked about this resistance area, I think, already in the last video. So this is where already we see a little bit of rejection. So it's good that these levels nevertheless are respected to a degree. So that is always useful. However, ideally, we would like to see the price reach the $22 level. Next, this is previous structural resistance. From then it can move higher to that sort of $24 target for the third wave. When can we say that this is failing? Is there a signal? I mean, obviously the invalidation point is the beginning of the third wave down here. So we talk about roughly $18.70. Any break below $18.70 will likely lead to a failure. But already, well, it will lead to a failure because that's the invalidation point. But we can also use the 50% retracement. That's basically a moving support level. This is now at $20.30. If we see a break below $20.30, then this is likely going to fail. It would be the first indication it's going to fail, most likely, okay? So again, it still doesn't, I can't confirm that a lasting low is in place, but obviously the probabilities for the white wave count have increased, but I still need to see 5 waves up, 3 waves down for the next trade setup. I did explain the bigger picture in the previous video, so feel free to check it out. And it's really just about, okay, where are we now? And can we form those 5 waves? So at the moment, we only have 3, yes, but the third wave in the white wave count shouldn't really be complete yet, because we want to get to around about $24. I guess tomorrow we'll know a bit more. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. There's additional content there every single day. And if you're interested in the membership, you get access to a weekly live stream. Tomorrow we've got the next one. Discord and Telegram chat room access, educational content, and for gold members, you get access to additional short-term market updates. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.